Variables, coefficients and constants. First-order equations with one variable. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What is a mathematical sentence? 2. How many mathematical sentences are there? What are their features? 3. What is an equation? 4. What condition must a close mathematical sentence meet to be considered as an equation? 5. What are the components of an equation? 6. What is the regular form of equations? 7. What is first-order equation with one variable? 8. What is the root of an equation? 9. How to solve first-order equations with one variable? 10. What transformations can we make in first-order equations with one variable? Introduction. In tutorial 6.1, we discussed algebraic expressions and their components. Do you remember what are they? What elements does an algebraic expression contain? What do you obtain when substituting the values of variables in algebraic expressions with numbers? Do you know what an equation is? What are the components of an equation? In this tutorial, we will deal with the concept of equation, its components, and provide example of methods that show you how to work with them. To illustrate this concept, we will use the first-order equation as the simplest type of equation. That is all for introduction to variables, coefficients and constants. First-order equations with one variable. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 9.1.1. What is a mathematical sentence? Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.